If you're running your community with Fluent Community, people had to open their browser on their mobile in order to check what's new on your community. Well, that's now a story from the past. Hi beautiful people, my name is Jimmy from the Webonaut. I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the new option available in Fluent Community, which allows your users to install an app on their mobile. Finally, an easy way for your users to keep connected to your community. Let's have a look and roll the tape. We are now in my community, The Space, and if you didn't subscribe yet, you can just check the link in the description. It's free. We speak WordPress, plugin, page builder, etc. So you're more than welcome to join the fun. But to activate the app, you actually have to go to the settings. So let's go to the settings right here. And then you're going to go to features and add-ons. And here at the bottom, you will see progressive web app. And that's what you're going to click on settings, and it will prompt you with that option. Here, you're going to have to enable it, and then you can put the app name. So in my case, I'm going to put The Space. All right. You can have a short name, and you can see here, you leave it empty if you want to use the app name. In my case, that's what I want to do. So I will leave it this way. You can customize the splash screen color. Here you have a description of what it is. It's the background showed behind the app icon while the app is loading. And then you have the app icon, which is the default community logo that you installed, but you can also just decide to have a custom icon for this, and then you can upload your photo as usual. You can show the install app in portal menu on a mobile only, obviously, and you can allow member to hide the install button. So if you click this, it will add the notification for 7 days. Then you can decide to install the button position at the sidebar at the top or at the bottom. I'm going to put it at the top so it's accessible for everyone. Let's save setting and you're good to go. Now that you set up everything, it's time to have a look at the mobile version and how it looks like. Let's do it. So for a Google user, you will first have to go onto your browser and go to the community you're in. So in that case, you go to The Space. Once you're connected, you will tap on the top left menu and you will see at the top install app, and you get prompted to that window. Click on install, and now it's going to install an app on your phone. And as you can see on your phone, you have the community. Now you just have to log in, and as soon as you're logged in, you won't have to log in next time you try to connect to your community. For Apple users, it's going to be the same, but a tiny bit differently. You're going to have to connect to the community via the browser. Once you're connected, you tap on the top left menu, and then you can see install app. But here you get a window where it says you press first the share button at the bottom, and then you just add to home screen, use as a web app, add, and you will see it appear on your home screen. Fluent Community has improved a lot since the start. Letting people install an app on their phone to connect more often with your community is really a game changer to my opinion. I hope this video was helpful. Give a like to that video, subscribe to not miss further content, and of course, until the next time, stay sexy, keep spreading love, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!